TradingView is software for day traders and swing traders that lets them look at charts based on technical analysis. It's fast, dependable, strong, and cheap. If you've used the free version of TradingView, or even if you haven't, and are thinking if the paid versions are worth it, I'll tell you for sure in a few paragraphs. I've been a regular day trader for the last 6 years, and I'm also a big fan of finance tools, which is why you have to watch this video to the end. I've tried almost all of the day trading tools and charting platforms that are available. This TradingView review is the result of that research, which may have been a waste of my time. TradingView is my favorite program for making charts, and the race isn't even close. In this TradingView review, I'll talk about why it's the best, what you can do on it, what you can't do on it, how much it costs, and how to get started with a 30-day free trial. And, as with all of my review pieces, we start with the ending. Is TradingView Pro worth it? The bottom line: yes, TradingView Pro is worth it, though I recommend you use TradingView Pro Plus, more on that later. TradingView is the best charting platform in 2023 because of its comprehensive feature set, speed, ease of use, coverage, reliability, and extreme affordability. It's the best solution for new and veteran traders alike. Accessibility, 5/5. Quality of research/analysis, 4/5. Price, 4/5. What is TradingView? TradingView is a comprehensive charting platform used by more than 30 million traders. It allows traders to chart, add indicators, and analyze real-time data to accurately predict stock price movements and profit from short-term price changes. TradingView was primarily built for stocks and ETFs, but has recently added coverage for cryptocurrencies. You'll find financial derivatives like futures and CFDs too. While you're at it, be sure to check out the best platform for CFD trading. In addition to its key charting features, covered below, TradingView offers paper trading, virtual trading to hone your skills before risking real money, fundamental data, broker connections, and more across its browser-based application, iOS and Android apps, and desktop software. Who is TradingView for? TradingView is a platform for active traders to perform technical analysis primarily on stocks and crypto. While long-term, fundamental investors may want to do some basic charting for entry/exit points, which they can do with the free version of TradingView, they're not who TradingView is built for. Here's what TradingView does really well. It's easy to use for new traders who are learning about different indicators, trading strategies, and developing their own unique style, while being exceptionally powerful for traders with decades of experience and their own custom scripts. Key features of TradingView. If you're a day trader, the basic free plan will not be enough. You will want to upgrade to a paid plan or use another software. TradingView is absolutely packed with features while maintaining an exceptionally sleek interface, which is why it's the perfect solution for both new and veteran traders. Here are a few of TradingView's key features. If you're interested in everything it has to offer, head to their website for more details. Charts and technical analysis. Charting is the reason you're considering investing in TradingView, and you won't be disappointed. Final word: TradingView review. TradingView is an absolute necessity for my trading. I don't need an alert service or a bunch of trade ideas. I want a place to chart that's fast, reliable, and affordable. TradingView is a home run. It has every indicator and analysis tool I need, and much more. And its minimalist design makes trading simple and effective. Plus, it's extremely affordable. And it's a great solution for you too. If you're still wondering, is TradingView good for day trading? Here's your answer. Yes, it is. It's trusted by more than 30 million traders because no one can find anything they don't like about TradingView. Use the link below for your 30-day free trial and experience the difference TradingView makes. Is TradingView free to use? Yes, you can use TradingView for free. However, the free version of TradingView comes with a number of limitations: only one chart per tab, only 3 indicators per chart, no custom time intervals, etc., and is not ad-free. If you're a trader and not an investor looking for basic entry/exit points, I would highly recommend the 30-day free trial of Pro Plus. What is better than TradingView? In my opinion, nothing is better than TradingView for active day and swing traders who want a fast, reliable, and intuitive charting platform. My favorite alternative is TD Ameritrade's ThinkOrSwim platform, but only because it's completely free for people with Ameritrade brokerage accounts. How much does TradingView cost? TradingView has a free plan and 3 paid plans. Pro is $10.50 per month. Pro Plus is $17.95 per month, my recommendation, and Premium is $30 per month. All prices mentioned are when billed annually. You can try any of their paid plans for free for 30 days. Can you actually trade on TradingView? Yes, TradingView has broker integration, which allows you to trade from directly within the TradingView platform. TradingView currently supports 15 brokers, including TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, and Ali Invest. Where to invest $1,000 right now? Did you know that stocks rated as buy by the top analysts in database beat the S&P 500 by 98.4% last year? Our May report reveals the 3 strong buy stocks that market-beating analysts predict will outperform over the next year.